everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video we are going to see how can you fix the issue of your Samsung TV which won't turn on red light. So fix one is you can try cool rebooting your TV. To cool reboot the TV, you need to press on remove the cable from the main power outlet, wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then try plugging it in back and click on the power button either on your remote or the TV. So the first issue can be the red standby light is on. So if there's the issue with this, you can that means that your TV remote is not paired with the TV. So to pair it with the TV, you can find the return button and the play pause button. You need to click the return and play pause button simultaneously, which will connect your remote to the TV. The next problem is the red standby light is off. So if it is off, you need to make sure the power cord is properly connected to the TV or to the outlet. To test the outlet, unplug the TV and plug it back into a known working outlet. If that doesn't work, try using a different outlet. Then the next problem is the red standby light is blinking or flashing. Unplug the TV and plug it back into a known working outlet. Do not use a surge protector as they may eventually wear out and stop providing the necessary voltage. So if the TV won't turn on and the red standby light is still blinking, this is a sign that something is wrong with your TV's internal components. So you can contact the customer support of Samsung for further assistance. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you think I helped you in some way, do like, share, comment and also to subscribe to this channel.